So this is the part two of our home gardening. So now we are done preparing the soil, right? And I'm currently inside our greenhouse, right? So there's the lettuce, and we've poured all the lettuce into this bowl, all right? We have all the lettuce into this bowl. So we're about to start with the planting, all right? So so now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this, all right, to punch holes in each and every crate, all right, so that we make sure we use that as a means of planting our seeds. So that's what I'll be doing, or that's what you guys can see me doing. So the reason why we are using the biodegradable um, medium to plant or cultivate our lettuce is that when it's time for transplanting, because it's biodegradable, we just have to cut the paper together with the soil and everything and just plant it, right? Because we are certain that the paper is going to get rotten and mix with the soil. And this will one major advantage of doing this is that it's gonna prevent us from disturbing the roots of the seedling during transplanting. Because usually when you have to remove the seedling from the tray, most often it affects the roots of the seedlings, right? So you planting everything together with the paper, protects the roots of the seedlings. Yeah. So now it's time for me to start with the planting of the seeds. So these are our lettuce, right? And I'm making sure at least each hole takes two to three seeds. There will definitely be seed dormancy and all that. So we're doing that so that we will know, or we can be certain that if one fails to germinate, at least the remaining will germinate. Then we prune or take out the weak ones and leave the healthy seedlings to continue growing. That's why you see farmers always planting more than one or two seeds, because they know it's not all the seed that's going to germinate. Some will do germinate and some may face seed dormancy. Okay, so now that we're done, we just cover everything. So now we are good to go. So now we are good to go. We are done we are done planting the lettuce, and it's time for us to plant the green pepper. And Loki is the one to do that.